everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make this beautiful star. I'm gonna be using the brush sketch round, and now we're gonna start drawing our star. This star doesn't have to be perfect. You can do it however you want, just do your best. Me, I did it and looked a little bit messy or whatever, but you can do your best. Here I'm gonna be using this door to try to fix the star a little bit better. Now up in the corner, in the right corner, I'm gonna take that yellow and I'm gonna fill it up. Just hold and go to your left, and then gonna fill up only the star. Make it easy. In my case, I'm gonna start repainting the lines because I did a horrible job. You can do a better job than I did, so I'm gonna fill it up really well, and then we go to the next step. Now we're going to adjustment and press that Gaussian blur, I think, and then with a layer and put like 4%. That's gonna do like a blurry star. Then after that, we're going to the layer and we're gonna use Queenswood X. That's gonna look like the star. Then we make another layer, and here I'm gonna do the same thing. Press X, and now I'm gonna take the brush air. I'm gonna use the really soft airbrush. I'm gonna put it like a light yellow, and then I'm gonna use it in 60%, and I'm gonna draw on top of the star like this. Then we go to the Gaussian blur, press layer, and do until 30%, between 32 or 33. And now, next step, another layer. I'm gonna do the same thing. And then in the middle of the star, I'm gonna do it more light. Like it's the point of the light coming out. I do really like this effect because look really like shiny. I always use that for make a lot of star, or maybe to use it for some stuff like need color light. I really like that effect. I don't know about you, but you can tell me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a big like and leave your comment. Do whatever question you have. Just help me, support me, and I'm gonna be grateful. I'm going back to the layer with the star, and then we're going to adjustment, and I'm gonna use the crystal. You know that liquify, but I'm gonna use a crystal, and this gonna give to the star like, you know, the like staring light. I don't know how to say that, but you know the line lights, like, you know, when you see the star and stuff. I'm gonna be doing the same thing to the brightness of the star to make it look like is really shiny. You know, all the little lines that you can see at the start, like I was telling you. Going back to the layer of the star, now I'm gonna go to the adjustment, brush and blur, and I'm gonna take it to 6% or 7%, and this how it's gotta look. Going back to the same layer to the star, we go into adjustment and chromatic aberration. And now we're gonna add this to the star, and this how it's gotta look. Look like a kind of rainbow. You're gonna see the yellow, the red, and the blue. And tell me how you like it. Look pretty awesome for me. Well, this is everything that I wanted to show you. But more ahead, I'm gonna be like make it a little animation of the star. I'm gonna make it like natural glowing, you know, like the star is supposed to do. This is not part of the tutorial. I just want to show you how it's gonna look. And then after you see it, tell me what do you think. Well, this is everything for today, so please don't forget to subscribe, to leave your comments.